Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Primetime English News with me, SUCHITRA Rajkumari. The headlines first. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur declares Class 12 examination results 2026 with 92.23 pass percentage. Chief Minister Yumnam Kimchan expresses confusion over continued shutdown despite fulfilling JAC demands and decision to provide government job for victims' family. 83rd anniversary of April 20, 1943 Kurai Chingangbam Mandop aerial bombing observed. Chief Minister unveils memorial site. Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goyal orders all government employees to attend office during 5-day shutdown. Five-day total shutdown in response to Tronglaubi attack continues to paralyze normal life across Valley districts on its second day. And senior advocate Khaidimani asserts NIA probe will not resolve Tronglaubi attack, calls for surgical strike. And now the news in detail. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur has declared Class 12 examination results for 2026, recording an overall pass percentage of 92.23. A total of 31,530 students appeared for the examination held from February 17 across 117 centers, out of which 28,829 successfully passed. In science stream, Takhelambam Kalpana of Comet School Changangay Uchekon and Yohen Longjam of Comprehensive Concept School jointly secured the top position with 490 marks each. In art stream, Sarangtem Ayingbi of Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School topped with 470 marks, while in commerce stream, Toyhen Batongam of CC Higher Secondary School, a government institution, secured first position with 454 marks. Nonay District emerged as top district with a pass percentage of 98.93%, while Jiribam recorded lowest at 80.08%. The examination was appeared by 23,146 students in science stream, 7,697 in arts, and 687 in commerce stream. The pass percentage of government school students in the COSEM Class 12 examination stood at 86.91%, while private schools and colleges recorded higher pass rate of 94.54%. The results were officially announced at COSEM office at Babupara in the presence of Manipur Education as Commissioner and Giafri, COSEM Secretary K.H. Ashikumar, and Controller of Examination O. Joy, who attended the declaration function. Now, Yohen Longjam, who topped Class 12 Science Stream Examination 2026 conducted by COSEM along with Takhelambam Kalpana, aspires to serve society by joining the civil services. Born to Longjam Wilbert, a government teacher, and Longjam Ongbi Lakshmi, a housewife of Sagolban Mabudho Mantri Laika in Imphal West District, Yohen asserted that he did not take private tuition for any subject. He mentioned that while he was confident that he would secure a position, he did not expect to become the topper. Highlighting the difficulties faced by students in Manipur amidst the ongoing unrest, Yohen appealed to the government to take appropriate measures to address these challenges. He also said that students should participate in social causes if circumstances require it. The topper concluded by emphasizing that self-confidence and hard work are the ultimate mantras for success.
Mark Wakani, Person Adum Wang Lakani, the Kanjavani, first lap of the Yam House. To 7 private and the director selected, high school classing Udum Padan in Tizanayare, Aduga school hour where advisory committee sing a remedial class amatawi, Moda Agi Kang the Bokotaba, Daughter Kadum cleared away, Adum enough for I know Madadum regularly 3 to 5 tidum by Aduga exam Naxilla Kanana Karahena, Adima Tatapai, Aduga Agi credit Agi Pokiriba, Imaipa, Tapi ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 11 12ꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯨꯑꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Now, Sarangthem Ayingbi, who secured first position in art stream of COSEM Class 12 examination, has expressed her desire to pursue LLB with the aim to provide justice and legal assistance to common people. She is the daughter of Sarangthem Romabati Leima and Sarangthem Labango Maitei. Speaking to SKTV News, Sarangthem Ayingbi, a student of Enlightened Knowledge EK Higher Secondary School, who hails from Hyangthang Maning Makha Lekai, expressed her desire to help people in getting justice. The art stream topper has also attributed her decision to pursue LLB on present crisis in Manipur. Now, commerce stream topper in class 12 examination, Toyhen Bathongam, has expressed concern on repeated disturbance of educational environment owing to ongoing conflict in Manipur. He also expressed and highlighted the challenges faced by students to frequent bans, shutdowns, and ban on internet services in the state. Toyenba, son of Thongam Ongbi Ibe Yaima and Thongam Gojendro of Singjamay Makha Khongnang Paitekbi, secured top position in commerce stream in COSEM's Class 12 examination. He secured a total of 454 marks in the examination and emerged as first position holder for the whole state. Speaking to SKTV News, Toy Henba, a student of CC Higher Secondary School, credited his success to all of his teachers and his parents for his success in the Class 12 examination. He sets his target to become an entrepreneur in the future. He also expressed his expectations from leaders to take up concrete action to heal Manipur and to ensure justice to victims of Manipur conflict. Now, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemjan today laid foundation stone for a women's market shed which is to be constructed near New Chekon traffic point. Wangkai MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar was also present in the function. Speaking on the sidelines, Chief Minister Khemjan maintained that government has agreed to all demands of the JAC of Tronglaubi incident. Government has even assured a government job for the father of the victim, but the shutdown continues. Chief Minister Khemjan further appealed people to withdraw the shutdown, citing hardships faced by common people. Manipur Chief Minister Yumnam Khemjan has appealed for withdrawal of ongoing total shutdown, stating that ongoing shutdown has immensely affected daily wage earners. The Chief Minister stated that the demand was not part of the charter submitted by Tronglaubi JAC and that 2 rounds of talks had already been held. He informed that a proposal has been extended to the bereaved family for government job. The Chief Minister made the remarks during the 83rd anniversary observance of Kurai Chingangbam Mandop aerial bombing held at Kurai Thangjam Lekai Community Hall, where a newly constructed memorial site was unveiled. He further assured that efforts would be made to declare the site as heritage location following proposals from Chingangbam Mandop Sevayat Committee and Imphal Campaign Foundation. Art and Culture Minister Khuraijam Loken, Wangkai MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar, Health Services Director Dr. N. Hemanta Kumar, Social Activist Khuraijam Ratan Kumar and IMC Ward 23 Councillor L. Romola attended the observance. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Arun Kumar noted that the memorial would preserve history for future generations and promote awareness among visitors about the state's past.
Manipur incident mayam thui ena kudakta CCTV kindana footage phangdana kudakta phaba yaba sunatabnina signariba group to phar investigation tawri matam khitang di changni haibadu kudakta hek phar pothoroi dudi madu yaba thabak sunatabnina aina ngasi su tanja laujaraga miyam gi mangda media gi mamangda ina appeal tawjari banchina setheng phangisi no magi hati jajaba no magi surga jajaba ima ibin sing hinjang na bi khara pujaraga yolaga no magi hinjaba mayam na awa boibanina ngasi su banse tokpiro haina appeal tawjari
जाति मफुनते हिस्ट्री के बड़ी लेने में तो करोनीना उसी कोई हिस्ट्री के मामा लोग क्या करते हैं कुछ कौन सी सारा तमाम बसे करना करते अगर सुनो में आपसे कोई पहले ना बोला तो आता नहीं सी जो या बोलो ना सीधे या विशेष तो सुनना बोलने की विशेष ना हमारे का जैसा कि जो टीवी लोग यदि लेकर के कुछ लोग ना राजस्व का या तो ना उसी की हिस्ट्री ठीक है तो बोली अगर मसीह पहुंचे जो सोबेरो से पता ना पाए पता kana lagi dapat kata-kata yang umum tadi kata-kata yang kedua itu kiba saya itu sendiri pada sesi software sebenarnya mention terlalu kami itu cuma masih perlu menggunakan Manipuri kita pakai itu jelas oke betul kalau sisi mana ya betul kalau ini yang cuma di pokok
Now, Manipur government has directed heads of various departments to take action against employees who remain absent in offices without authorized leave during 5-day shutdown called by women's groups in valley districts to protest against a recent bomb attack in Tronglaubi. In an order issued by Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goel, the government ordered all administrative secretaries and heads of departments to ensure attendance in their respective offices in view of the calls for disruption or band issued by various groups. It also warned that departmental proceedings should be taken up against those who are absent from duty without authorized leave. The government has asked all deputy commissioners to ensure the functioning of all offices in their districts. The order was issued in the wake of the 5-day shutdown from April 19 called by Mairapaibi groups in 5 valley districts to protest against the killing of 2 children at Tronglaubi in Bisnupur on April 7. A 5-day total shutdown being imposed by the JAC formed in response to the Tronglaubi attack continued to paralyze normal life across valley districts on its second day. Markets and all kinds of business establishments, including Khairamban Kaithil, Thangal Bazar and Pauna Bazar, remained shut, while most vehicles stayed off the road. Band supporters blocked national highways and other major roads by burning tires and placing obstacles. However, emergency services, press and religious events were being exempted. Senior advocate Khaide Mani has asserted that handing the case to NIA cannot resolve Tronglaubi attack. Government must carry out surgical strike against the terrorist who committed the heinous bomb attack in Tronglaubi. Khaide Mani was speaking on the sideline of a sit-in which was jointly organized by All Manipur Bar Association and High Court Bar Association of Manipur at Uripok Chera Court Complex today. Speaking further, senior advocate Khaide Mani said terrorists need to be brought to justice by carrying out a massive combing operation and by conducting a surgical strike.
Massive combing operation, surgical strike, Ani subada CRPF na matumulong kandala protester singdan may kapsa CRPF ki firing cha machi maram cha da banina machi commission of inquiry 1952 ke makada judicial inquiry tauba ai ba ani cha machi het thabuk tu unthopada aduga loina leiki draba tawtum singdi tawum thopado sarkar na tawba kamda da tungan wakat me pam rally tawri ba puna mangasya karuda warsu kamangangani.
On the other hand, President of All Manipur Bar Association Chakpram Bimol Chandra expressed dissatisfaction on government for failing to give justice to victims who have lost their lives in a conflict which started on May 2023. He added that citizens have been denied fundamental rights of free movement and dignified life, as communities cannot access national highways and sacred sites such as Kaubru Hill and other places. He also informed on the plan to bring the matter to notice of High Court of Manipur or Supreme Court.
Right to religion, koi Kaubru karaga, hanging karaga like for Mangamutaravan. A koi Manipur say, Manipur is the right to move koi Handamtel right say, Kunga Narga Lady Ravaneva. Army laying in a Kuchapum discussion. Why? When a going Ibra, going to Mangak to the Brava. Karamba, Lebak, Nitin or the Kandre. मधुगी अखोई सिंगसिगी रिजोल्यूशन लोगनी रिजोल्यूशन लोरगा अखोई हाई कोर्ट नि खंगे सुप्रीम कोर्ट नि खंगे अखोई चटप याब चटकनी
Manipuri members of Brahmapur Laipubam Laikai blocked road in support of total shutdown called in connection to Tronglaubi incident. Speaking on the sideline, Secretary of Brahmapur Laipubam Laikai Manipuri Laipubam Binobati demanded justice for victims of Tronglaubi who were mercilessly killed in bomb attack at Tronglaubi. She demanded government to arrest the culprits and to punish them for committing such heinous act.
अकोई ngasi nu shutdown gi numin ini janba numi sida maira pai bi sing thok tuna lambi thing bagi khongjang ngasi changsin jari aduga loina na athu ba matam da anga hatpa mi hat sing do uthok pi dri ba makhai mayam na tawri ba thabak khuding makka khongjang si changsin jagani amasung support taw jagani
Lamdeng Kuno Maira Lup, Tauthong Ayungba Maira Lup, Kundi Village Maira Lup and Tauthong Kuno Apunba Maira Lup jointly organized a sit-in at Lamdeng Kuno ground today, protesting against Tronglaubi killing. Speaking on the sideline, Vice President of Chingtam United Women's Association, Lamabam Premila, expressed disappointment on the inaction of government in addressing the conflict which broke out 3 years ago. She demanded proactive and concrete action against Kuki terrorists who are killing innocent civilians at will. She also expressed strong condemnation against killing of innocent civilians in TM Kasom ambush.
Kuki gi mihat achi aikoi kayam kuina ngasi gi lenga achi ne jeng duna lekhi ga dawri bono 2020 sidagi chatharak ba mihat achi da lekhi da misi atuki masing yang kre thauna pha ba isa sing laibak nga ka da ba iram da masi kan ga da ba khunai gi mairi oi ga da ba yumbi kaya gi punsi pikham na kha ba da karam na lamdam achi da laiba mama oi bising achi na karam na khang duna laigani khomtang kaya ma changcheli lenga nga ta di karam madi ai mo gi thamoi da ताबगी थवंगे अमत तफोंग असि फावबा अखोइना उद्री मथोंग मरंग खंगदबा हौरक फमजु खंगदबा हुरुप छु मथोंग खंगदबा कुकी सिंगना ओनचिन अखोइदा नोंगमै कापा बोमगी लांग थाकपा हंजन अखोइदा ओटपा नैबा से अखोइ खांगबा ngамद्रेबा ngasi गिलांगापा सिंगना मियांगी इहुन खंगा थबक तौबियु हाइबा वाफम मचे अइना ngasi गिलांगापा सिंगते छु अइ थमजारी.
Now, individuals currently undertaking a relay hunger strike at Malom Awang, Ibutho Pakhang Basanglen have vowed to continue their protest until the government comes up with a permanent solution to the ongoing crisis. The relay hunger strike is being carried out under the banner of People's Alliance for Peace and Progress Manipur PAPPM in protest against the recent Tronglaubi incident and the subsequent firing on civilians by CRPF personnel. Speaking to the media, hunger striker Oinam Doren condemned both the incidents and lamented that no arrests have been made despite government promise to crack down on those individuals involved in the attack within 48 hours. He also urged the government to take befitting punishment and action against the CRPF personnel involved in the firing. Meanwhile, Citizens Club Soibam Laikai executive member Dr. Sanatampa Rajkumari, who is also taking part in the relay hunger strike, criticized that a government should not exist merely to draw funds from the Center for Developmental Works. She attributed the people's enduring hardships to lack of mature and honest legislators in the state. Sanatampa also decried the government's failure to act against those claiming to have a written document for the creation of a new district called Lamka.
अखोइना पामिबा जस्टिस से कइनो हाइकांदा थोखिबा थौदोक्सिदा सरकारना मतम चाना लौखलौद्रे सोइग्रे खंगाजो हौजिक मतम लैरिबसिदा सरकारना चपचाबा appropriate action nama ngasagi narco terrorism tawraiba mayam du action nama lauraga moida punish tawba matungda amona tawdanaba permanent oiba solution ama puthoknaba sarkar gi side tagi lakhalakpu ne ngasi akhoina ngaijari je risigi maraksida mo ukhul gi thodokta mo tholakpa laigidaba civil ani adugi thodok suju sigi posiga sumaina mathang sumaina sum amada phajana solve ta hogdabadagi mathang da sodum sumaina dum bazar manung de sungar amada joita torokpa yabagi moina loina ngambagi moongama uba phangi aita aduna si thoktanaba hojik paleba sarkar jina chara heliba khoina haijariba tawriba je khangam da bujai moi mana da taram da busu yare adu tabiu thodok sibu chenaba mi sing do moi jung do phana ba honaraga masigi thodok se amana thoktanaba tawbase masi khoina yam palje
aikoi maitai da natana Furuk Kanglup Kudingmak, Manipurgi Praja Kudingmaksi, Amaga, Punchin Hananabagi, Peace and Progress, Iwo Pandamda, Sarkarna, Tabakai Katnava, Makogi mission Amalay, Adubucha Thariba mission Ase, Sing the Oiro, Tam the Oiro, Aduga community Singi Tazaba the Oiro, Makoina Tautor Patabaxi, Miamna, Pelaktaba, Pesha Gida Magda, Manipur Chalai Gatabanate.
We'll be right back after a short break.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. Eastern Lion Club Games and Sports Secretary Moirang Them James has accused the Manipur police of forcing protesters to hold stones and iron projectiles to frame them, stating that the alleged misconduct has severely eroded public trust in the department. He was speaking to media while seeking treatment at Sawombung Primary Health Center after reportedly being assaulted by police during a torch rally held recently against the Tronglaubi incident. James claimed that he was apprehended and physically assaulted by RAF personnel within a school campus in the Sagolban area when security forces dispersed the rally. The local club sports secretary further alleged that he was handed over to Manipur police team where he was beaten again. He claimed that police framed him on charges of attacking security forces with a catapult by forcing him to hold stones and iron projectiles for a photograph after taking him to Imphal police station.
Pongpata Purga station Manunga Kuraida and Kaufele, Sainazu Anirakale, Nang Sida Nauri Kapalaira, Toromogi station Manunga, not an element, not any to do, and when the Noina Kapa is Sumbane, Haramaduna, Nakuta Pai, one Pahalaga, and on the Photocape. Now you do not any do Paraga. Monabutrapa. I not see the Sada Yobjapana go Nina, the station, the Giputoraga, Pahalaga, Kapane, Harkan, Korean quota, Okonaputropane, Havaga, alone, not my Haraga, quota, Satpanem.
Now, several CSO members and community leaders of the Meitei and Tangkhul community staged a sit-in in front of ISBT Kuman Lampak today, protesting the recent Tronglaubi attack, TM Kasom ambush, and firing on civilians by CRPF personnel in a camp at Jelmon. During the protest, several placards with slogans such as "We want justice, not ex gratia," "No justice, no peace," "Enough suffering, time for action," and "Manipur need protection, not promises," were displayed. Speaking on the sidelines, Naga People's Union Imphal President M. Ngaranmi demanded immediate arrest of the Kuki terrorist allegedly responsible for the Tronglaubi bomb attack and the TM Kasom ambush, which claimed the lives of 4 civilians, including 2 minors. He further warned that people of Tangkhul and Meitei communities will launch intensified agitations if the government fails to take decisive action to prevent further killings of indigenous people by Kuki terrorists. The Tangkhul leader also condemned the use of excessive force against protesters by security forces, stating such acts violate the right of the people. Now, Rongmei Naga People's Organization, RNPO, has strongly condemned the brutal killing of 2 Tangkhul civilians in an ambush carried out by suspected Kuki militants near TM Kasom village along National Highway number 202 on April 18. In a press release, RNPO maintained that no civilized society can ever tolerate or justify such heinous crime. It further urged both the state government and center to immediately book culprit and hand over the case to agencies such as NIA. Further, RNPO also expressed heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families and also prayed for speedy recovery of injured persons. Now, Now, All Manipur Students Union (MSU) has condemned the brutal killing of Tangkhul civilians in an ambush carried out by suspected armed cookies in Ukhrul district. In a press note issued by Publicity and Information Secretary of MSU, Sarto Rengnayarkom, the student union has highlighted the urgent need to take stringent action against Kuki narco-terrorists before public mounts to unprecedented level. While criticizing the failure of central forces in protecting and safeguarding the lives of civilians, MSU has demanded immediate action from government to ensure safety of the people. Now, Manipur IMA has also conveyed condolences for victims of Tronglaubi and TM Kasom attacks. In a press note, Manipur IMA expressed dissatisfaction on the failure of government to protect the life of civilians despite the deployment of large number of central forces in the state. It also informed that Manipur IMA also provided relief assistance to people undergoing treatment at RIMS and Raj Medicity after they sustained injury in Tronglaubi protest. All Manipur Muslim Students Organization (AMSO) has strongly condemned the Tronglaubi incident and ambush on civilian at TM Kasom. In a press note issued by its secretary, AMSO has demanded Manipur government to take prompt action and to arrest those culprits who were involved in killing innocent people. The organization also urged government to stop security forces from using brute forces against protesters, while also appealing for early resolution so that students and daily wagers are not made to undergo further sufferings due to bans and shutdowns. On the other hand, AMSO has also congratulated successful candidates of Class 12 examinations and conveyed best wishes for their future endeavors. Now, Kuki CSO Working Committee Ukhrul has strongly refuted allegations linking Kuki community to April 18, 2026 incident that claimed 2 lives, terming such claims are baseless and dangerous. In a statement issued on April 19, the committee countered remarks made by Swart Vasum, accusing him of making provocative statements that have escalated tensions. It asserted that Kukis did not carry out any ambush nor impose conflict on any community and criticized attempts to assign collective blame without evidence. The committee also raised concern over reported fresh attacks on Mongko Chefu and nearby Kuki villages, demanding authorities register a suo motu FIR against Vasum for inciting unrest. Additionally, it rejected claims portraying Kukis as tenants under Tangkhul ownership, stating that Kuki villages in Ukhrul are government recognized with valid land records. Reaffirming commitment to peaceful coexistence, the committee warned it would take lawful measures to defend its people if threatened. Now, a major boost to healthcare infrastructure in Manipur was marked today as Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) Imphal inaugurated a newly constructed 200-bedded 4-story maternity block along with a new blood bank and Department of Transfusion Medicine. The facilities were formally opened by Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma in the presence of Medical Superintendent Professor N. Sanjeev Singh, Dean Academics Professor L. Rajesh Singh and Professor M. Rameshwar Singh, Head of Obstetrics and Gynecology. Speaking on the occasion, the director stressed pivotal role of obstetrics and gynecology department in patient care and called for optimal utilization of upgraded infrastructure, while also highlighting plans to establish an IVF center and promote research, including use of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence. Acknowledging the support of government and collective institutional efforts, he reaffirmed the commitment of developing RIMS into a leading regional healthcare center. Jenims Nursing Association President in charge Leimapokpam Ranjita has refuted charges leveled against her by KCP Taibanganba Group regarding recruitment and regularization of Jenims contract staff nurses. Addressing a press meet held at Jenims today, Ranjita claimed the allegations are baseless and unfounded, clarifying that she was not involved in collecting money from anyone. She further said that she has never been involved in corruption, but was only helping to address the grievances of the staff nurses in her capacity as president of Jenims Nursing Association, which included writing to the chief secretary regarding their welfare. Terming the allegations as unfortunate, Ranjita appealed to all concerned to reinvestigate the matter to uncover the truth.
Ranjitana Masagi Pesha Pangnabagi the Makta, Contraki regular Tagadoriba Angang Mayam Singsipu Puzzle Laga, Tabak Singsi pending the Lehele, Haina, KCP Taibangan group na Shirak Liba, and on the Pirak Liba Iralasi, Semjin Bas Hazin Bangatani, I have contraki nurse the Makta Pesha Kai Giba, Madi Pesha Low Giba, Aduna Traga Mogi Pesha Pina Giba Matamda, I sat Amata Yao Giba Late, Aduga Yaugado Busulate, Association na Pesha Pinaba, Natraga Longnaba, Aduga contract regularization Tanaba Matangida, Yau Basulate, Aduga Sida Yau Basuyade.
Universal Mothers Organization UMO President Moirangthem Sorojini Laima urged all those who accused Kaithel Nupi Marup Secretary Laisham Mema of engaging in contract works to produce evidences within 3 days. Addressing a press meet jointly organized by 15 CSOs, including UMO, Fox, Palem, MPF, Senmitlon, MPCM, IPOM, WMO, and Yemkal at Lamphilpat office, Sorojini claimed that no Kaithel Nupi Marup leaders have taken contract work or other personal benefits from the government or elected representatives. She further asked all concerned to stop making baseless allegations on social media, which she argued creates division among the Kwairamban women vendors. Sorojini also called for unity among indigenous communities to protect the state from illegal immigrants, cautioning that Manipur will face a fate similar to Tripura's if communities fail to respond collectively.
Iraiba kanmada thokminariba tawminariba proof laiminari mayamche iramdam asida laimina chi haiba aikoi iramne khangadi irang ama thorobda punna thoga thengnamina change lailu proof khangdana udana ngangmasu ai madu kaya tawanjaningde amatta oina kok chumchin minaraga kamai tawga aikoi laiba ache kalhobadage aikoi proof kalhobadage haiba tanja achida adugumba rujadaba mama singbu namthanaba thilakpado koi luk trama ngana yam laina lode.
Full dress rehearsal for the upcoming Khongjom Day observance on April 23rd was held at Khongjom War Memorial Complex today. Thoubal Deputy Commissioner Yumnam Robita and other officials attended the rehearsal in preparation for the state-level Khongjom Day observance to pay tribute to fallen heroes of Anglo-Manipur War of 1891. The main event will be graced by Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan, and will be marked by floral tribute to war heroes at Khongjom War Memorial located at Kebaching, followed by Guard of Honor, a general salute, and reversed arm blowing of last post and observance of 2-minute silence. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla will also offer a tarpan at Khongjom River. A drama titled Khongjom Lan will also be showcased under State Directorate of Information and Public Relations. Moving on to international news. A strong magnitude 7.5 earthquake has struck off northern Japan, prompting authorities to issue a tsunami warning for waves of up to 3 meters. The quake hit at around 4:53 p.m. local time in waters off Iwate Prefecture on Japan's Pacific coast. It was felt across a wide area, shaking buildings in Tokyo, hundreds of miles to the south. Japan Meteorological Agency has warned that the first tsunami waves could reach parts of the northern coastline immediately. It urged people to evacuate immediately from coastal regions and riverside areas to a safer place such as high ground or an evacuation building. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi said the government had set up a crisis management team and was working to assess the impact of the earthquake. She added that officials were still trying to confirm whether there had been any casualties or damage to property. Japan is one of the world's most earthquake-prone countries, sitting on the Pacific Ring of Fire, where several tectonic plates meet. It experiences about 1,500 earthquakes each year and accounts for almost 18% of the world's seismic activity. Moving on to sports. Manipur's wushu player Jona Princey Konsam has bagged a gold and a silver medal in the 11th Moscow Wushu Stars 2026, which was held at Russia. Jona Princey Konsam, who represented India in the championship, clinched a gold medal in the Taijiquan event and secured a silver medal in the Taijijian event, marking a significant achievement on the international stage. On the other hand, Vice Chancellor of National Sports University, Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath, Registrar Dr. L. Dibamani, and all staffs of National Sports University have extended congratulations to Jonah Prince Konsam, who is also a BPES 4th semester student. The university also lauded her remarkable accomplishment and expressed confidence in her ability to achieve even greater success in the future. And finally, the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center Lampilpat, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 29 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 91% in the morning and 56% in the evening. According to IMD, Manipur received 1.4 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. And now, before we wrap up the headlines once again. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur declares Class 12 examination results 2026 with 92.23 pass percentage. Chief Minister Imnan Khemjan expresses confusion over continued shutdown despite fulfilling JAC demands and decision to provide government job for victims' family. A 83rd anniversary of April 20, 1943, Kurai Chingangbom Mandop aerial bombing observed. Chief Minister unveils memorial site. Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goyal orders all government employees to attend office during 5-day shutdown. Five-day total shutdown in response to Trong Laubi attack continues to paralyze normal life of Foz Valley district on its second day. And senior advocate Khaidemani asserts NIA probe will not resolve Trong Laubi attack, calls for surgical strike. That is all the news we have for now. More news coming up at 8. Keep watching SKTV News.